Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I want to try making a mask. Eventually I want to make one that has this kind of fox shape that I have drawn the profile of here. But first I'm going to make a more simpler one. I've measured the inside dimensions to be 9 inches from forehead to chin, 6.5 from temple to temple, and 5.5 deep. So this is the piece of wood I'm going to use, and I'm going to first I'm going to draw in the inside dimensions and clear out the inside material. Now I'd like to see how well it fits. Not too bad. I'd like that to make that deeper, but I don't know if I have the room. I'm pretty happy the way it's going so far, I've been able to punch through over here, down here, so that's nice, and then I've kind of smoothed this out. Not sure how thin I'm gonna try to make it, but I don't know, I feel pretty good about it. So now that I have it kind of cleared out on this side, I think I might be able to take this just a little bit deeper. But it's nice to have this extra material around here. It kind of makes it easier to, makes it more stable while I'm working on it. I've decided to bring this over here and clamp it down to see if I can deepen this a little bit here and work to make my whole shape a little bit more refined. Well, I thought of putting like some eyes in there and stuff, but I don't really like the look of it too much. So I'm gonna kind of make it smooth like the masks that the characters Anbu Black Ops from the anime Naruto use. So it's just gonna be smooth. And then I wasn't gonna paint it, but if I want, I could paint features on it. But I don't really like those eyes that I did. So I've had this mask in this plastic bag for months, hoping it would dry without cracking, and it looks like that was pretty successful. Although, there you can kind of see it did warp a little bit. I'm not too worried about that. This is what it looks like from the front. I was looking at images of some of the Anbu Black Ops mask from Naruto, and some of them do have shape to it, aren't just completely smooth like this. But I'm gonna do one of them that was smooth. It has like a spiral right here. So let's get to it. So this paint is supposed to be red, but it's really, really old. Probably shouldn't get on my hands. It's nasty. You can see over here it's like a brown red, but it's all I have access to right now, so I'm gonna go for it. Ugh, it's gross.
No.
Well, I guess if anything, this channel is about working with what you have, doing the best you can, and not being afraid to make mistakes. So I didn't have access to the best brushes or the best paint, but this is how it turned out. Could be better, could be worse. I can always repaint it later if I need to, or if I don't like it. Anyway, in any case, I do like it right now. And, well, that's all. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please consider checking out some of my other videos. Bye!